we are doing core decompression surgery here. This is called CIAM. This is the patient we have positioned. This is the drill we are going to do. Drilling to the femoral head. We are planning to do 3 drills. You can see this is the CIAM machine. This is the X-ray machine. We have covered the sterile cover here. You can see the X-ray. We are seeing the head, femoral head. Femoral head is showing some changes of avascular necrosis. You can see that there is some density changes. There are the changes. Okay, these are the changes of avascular necrosis. We are going to make multiple drills in this area now. We are starting to mark the area of drilling and then we will start the drilling. So, small incision. This is called a minimally invasive technique. I am feeling the greater trochanter up and down. Simultaneously, I am seeing the X-ray where we are able to see the drill coming on the image. The same drill we will be drilling. Over this, we will make 4 mm diameter drill bit. Shoot.
We have taken 50 ml of bone marrow. Once after taking the marrow, we have to push it inside the cartridge. 50 ml, like this. You can see the marking here, 25. Same thing we have to repeat.
So this is centrifuge machine. Okay. So keep that. This centrifuge machine you are showing. This is the RPM. This is the rotations per minute. 12 minutes. 3300 RPM for 12 minutes. Close money. See, I am feeling the resistance now. You can see this drill is going now. I am feeling the resistance, and you can see that we are exactly at the center of the area where the avascular necrosis is there. You can see the drill is not going. You can see there in the X-ray. We are going to the center of the area where avascular necrosis is there. And the most important aspect is that we have to go to the center of the area where there is avascular necrosis, so that that part which is damaged, the drill has to be there on the area which is damaged. See, we are seeing the front image and the side image. You can see that here, this is RBC. This is buffy coat, or this is growth cells. This is plasma. We are going to inject the middle part, which is the growth cells. This is the RBC, this is the buffy coat, this is the plasma. We are going to discard, or we can inject the plasma at the end of the injection of the buffy coat, which is growth cells. So this is the final. We are going to take out this part and we are going to inject into the holes which we have made now. That will give the growth or stem cell.
We are taking the poor plasma. Plasma taken. You can see this will be the BMAC. Concentrated BMAC. 4 ml of
4 ml this side left hip and 4 ml the right hip. Jamshedi needle where we have taken bone marrow aspiration. I am going to pass this needle to the drill bit, the holes which we have made now. You can see that I am passing this. Here I have kept the wax, bone wax, so that the bone marrow aspiration concentrate fluid will not pass out. And I am going to remove this now. from this cannula I am going to inject the BMAC and block the BMAC coming out with the bone wax covering the hole. So this is the BMAC. We are going to inject. Table ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ side tilt ಮಾಡಿ. We are tilting the table to like this so that table ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ side, table ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, so that whatever we injected will not come out immediately. And after that we will put the poor plasma. We can put one mark. You can see that we are into the lesion. This needle is going to the lesion. As I withdraw the needle, we are checking in the C-arm the position of this needle, and we are injecting this. I am withdrawing and injecting this. I have covered the mouth of this with the wax, and as you can see, this didn't come out. This didn't come out. This is in the hole which we have made. This completes the BMAC procedure. I am fixing this mouth with the wax. I have closed this with the bone wax hole. Now this is the final picture after we have done the BMAC procedure with the core decompression. You can see which is such a small incision we have covered, and 2 drill holes of 4.5 mm we have done in the lesion, and this completes the procedure. So this is the team which we have done this procedure. Is Mr. Mohammed, is Dr. Gopal, is Mr. Naveen, I am Sharad, Dr. Girish, and Yatish is in charge, and video is being taken by Dr. Puneet. He is also orthopedic surgeon. We are completing this procedure. You can see finally we have done with a small incision, core decompression with bone marrow aspiration concentrate. This bone marrow aspiration is from Trisel. What is it? Trisel Tubex company. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you.